Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Workday, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Workday, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the Workday URL provided by your employer. Once the page loads, look for the Register or Create Account option. Click on the link to proceed to the registration form. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Enter your work email address accurately. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Next, select your job role from the drop-down list, if applicable. Review and accept any terms and conditions presented. Click on the Submit or Register button to continue. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your identity. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Workday login page once your account is activated. Enter your registered email and the password you created. Click on the Login button to access your Workday account. Follow any additional prompts to complete your profile setup. You are now ready to navigate Workday and access its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.